the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. On to the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. On to the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one.
What's going on, guys? Back with another video. I know it's been a while, obviously, because I've been posting like 2 months or something. So, basically, woohoo! It's another ride day, honestly. Woohoo! Don't know what we're doing today. Don't know at all, actually. What in cousin tarnation? Okay, buddy, I'm just getting warmed up now, bud. Oh, God. Oh. Dude, I blew that corner. Ow. Jeez. It's so hard to stop in this, bro. Alright, we're at the windmill now. Hey. Nice day out. Oh, I'm in 5th gear. I can't go any faster. Damn, I want a new bike, dude. This bike's so slow. guys, I think my next bike's gonna be a KTM. It sucks to say that, but you know what? It's gonna be a KTM, probably, or a KX 250X. I don't know yet for sure. But it's gonna be something like that. Alright, where's Jacob? Yee hurdy. Jeez, bro. Alright, buddy's racing the trucks right now. Oh my god. Dude, he freaking went. Alright boys, so now we're at a hill climb spot. It's pretty gnarly. Uh-oh, Matthew's in a predicament. Whose turn is it? Helmet on. Yeah! Ooh. Ooh! His bike sounds so bad.
Yeah, he hasn't ridden a lot. He doesn't ride a lot.
Oh, he's trying it again. I'm recording, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bet.
Oh, he's going again.
Oh! No way!
He barely made that, too. I thought he was going over the edge.
Jeez. Alright. I'll get back to you in a little bit. Peace.
Well, I'm gonna do a bike review today. That's my shitty bike right there. Yeah, I don't really know what to say about it. It's just a nice little piece of shit. Handlebars or handle grips are worn down. Renthal, it's falling apart. I had this thing for a long ass time.
Bars are bent, by the way.
They're not that bent. They're a little crooked, but all the dirt down in there, it's just nasty. I forgot to clean that. Okay. I don't know. There's like 5-year-olds in a racer right now just riding around.
I don't know if I'll probably zoom in.
He's sitting out the door.
Right.
But yeah, I got new Unbreakables.
There.
I got new Unbreakables though. Those are pretty minty. As you can tell, the front's been a little worn down. Rode it a lot. Nice and dusty. Front plate, boot plate going on there soon, hopefully.
Radiator guard looking good.
Radiator guard looking good. As you can see over here, this one's
A little wear in the knobbies.
Think about this one though. This one's a little worn down. You can tell us through some nice little tactical wire on there. New shifter looking mint. Just got that on yesterday. It took me like 30 minutes to get the first one on.
With a crowbar.
With the crowbar, yeah, definitely.
Want to be a track guy, so you put the freaking.
As you can tell,
thing
single
on it.
head, not dual. Nothing too simple. Aluminum body.
One exhaust.
One exhaust, of course. I'm working on 2 later.
Of course.
Nice new Pro Taper sprocket with the chain. Chain's a little loose, not gonna lie.
Just
Got a new rim and tire for the back.
Oh my god.
that one was bad. We better edit that out.
No, we're not doing that.
So yeah, new hub 2, red hub, black rims. Nice new Maxxis tire.
Thing won't start for anything.
Oh yeah, bitch won't start for nothing.
No.
Yeah, she's a little sassy mofo.
Yeah, she is. eStart does not work. Hasn't charged that thing
Nice
in
yellow
months.
sprocket back there.
There's the kids.
The battery is so dead, doesn't even show my max RPM right now. It's that dead.
It's that
It's
dead.
kind of sad.
Oh,
Radiator's kind of bending right here. Not too mint. Air filter's pretty mint, but around it, oh, it's a little dusty. If I could freaking open this shit. Oh, this thing is pissing me off now. As you can tell, air filter's still pretty nice and lubed, but the inside is just dust on dust. It's disgusting.
yeah. Yeah, I feel you.
And pretty much that's my shitty little bike.
Should we do a little kickover for them?
Kick over?
Yeah. Oh, nice skid plate too. Fits the bike.
Oh
perfectly.
yeah, you see the huge dent in her? Look at that. That's nice.
Smashed it with a rock.
Oh yeah.
Dialed.
What are you looking at? Bike review.
Anyways.
Hydraulic back brake.
Shorter linkage.
Yeah, shorter linkage.
So
Yes, I'm
big man can sit on it.
Yeah, I'm a little short.
Zip tied this wire. Electrical tape that wire.
Yeah, so I also got rid of the stand.
Yeah, no
So
stand.
now I got
She
a
wants to
little
be
triangle.
a track guy.
Yeah, oh yeah, I am a track guy. I'm so much better on track.
Yeah, for sure, man, for sure. All right, yeah, just give her the beans. Oh,
Being in neutral.
not locked up.
That's a problem. There we go.
All right,
Now.
give one kick for the fans. Let's see how long it takes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This damn thing. Where's that e-bike? Yeah, she's a piece of shit. Makes bike. Oh, no, it shows max RPM. It goes to 480.
Oh.
Yeah, she didn't want to go, boys.
All right, that's it for the bike review.
That's pretty much the bike review. Nice little shitter right here.
We'll get back to you when we do something more funny. All right, bye.
Well, looks like we're done with the day. Gonna go get some food. Look at this shitter. That's mine. And yeah, I'm gonna ride with the shitty. And my bike won't start no more, so I'm done riding. I'm gonna put it up and then we're going home. That's fine.
And I'm tired. All right.
And then we're done for the video.
Like, subscribe, and comment.